Guys, you haven't seen a spider so much close. This is going to be a world record footage. First time ever encounter of a big spider from this close on my phone. My phone is OnePlus Nord CE3. Guys, I'm really scared and too close to this big spider, but still I'm taking the risk to film and shoot. Can you look at those stings at its hand, the head, the stomach, the back portion? This is going to be viral. I'm feeling like doing a documentary. Let me try to go to a little more closer. Shall I go? Now the eyes are visible, as you can see. First time I have encountered how the eyes of a spider looks like. Guys, this is not a professional camera, I'm telling you. Just with my phone camera I'm shooting this. Imagine if it was a camera. The sound is not recorded, but guys, look at this. Ignore the background noises. Just focus on this footage. You can see how the webs are formed in the leg. I can see white portions. It's coming from the body. And why the spider could scroll is that where spikes are there, and it has left some deposits. You can see. I don't know what it is. And it comes from its rear point. You can see these deposits coming from its rear point, the rear point of this spider. And what it is doing, you can see with the front legs, the eyes are black, as you can see, First time I'm looking this much closer to a spider.